What's up, journeyers? Day 2. We are in Las Vegas and we are at the Hoover Dam.
Hoover.
Not the Hoover Dam, the Hoover Dam.
Oh.
And as Kelsey will let you know, there's what, Kelsey?
Damn tours and a damn souvenir shop. And there's damn bathrooms. Can't use.
Every dam has a bathroom, so you can go to the dam bathrooms. We want to see how many times we can use dam in a sentence.
Without it.
By referencing
the dam.
The dam.
What a dam.
Yeah, gosh, man, it's got to be YouTube compliant, people. We're a family-friendly channel.
Exactly.
If you're new, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. Join the journey. What are you waiting for? It's time to have some fun. Let's get it.
Yeah. Let's go.
Kel's ever been 2 places at once?
Yeah, I was just a second ago.
Wow, she totally just killed that. Okay, well, I'm at 2 places at once. Woo! So a couple tips for you. When you first come in, there is closer parking. It's $10, or you can drive across the bridge. When you drive across the bridge, there's free parking on the other side. You're just gonna have to walk. And then also know they have a 30-minute tour guide and an hour tour guide, but the lines fill up. So be prepared if you have to wait a little bit. Right now, the lines are about an hour-long wait. So just depends. If you want to make it an all-day event, you can. If not, you can just walk across the bridge, hang out, take photos, and then check out the visitor shop. So have fun.
For all you classic gamers and new gamers, if you want to check out an interesting thing that's only 10 minutes from the strip, check out the Pinball Hall of Fame. Very cool. It's a private collection. There's over 200 pinball machines from I think like the 1930s up until today. So very wide range, very cheap, close to the strip. It's a fun little diversion. Half hour, you're in and out, but it's a fun little thing to do here in Las Vegas.
Just know they don't take credit cards. There's no admission fee, so you just walk in. They are open until 11 p.m. I'm pretty sure every day. And I mean, you can see from the outside, it's nothing special, but when you come inside, that's what counts. So you can get change for 1s, 5s, or 10s at the quarter machine. And then each pinball machine is different prices. So like newer ones, like an Iron Man or Star Wars, is gonna cost you more than one like this, which is an older Star Wars, which is only 50 cents. So just kind of keep that in mind when you come.
Thanks for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Click that subscribe button down below to watch more awesome videos.
Check out our website for sweet merch, blogs, and awesome content.
And if you're on social media, make sure that you're checking us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Like us, share us, wear us.
Journey signing off.